Wake up to postcard perfect mountain views every single day. Welcome to your next chapter in the beautiful gated community of La Reserve in Tucson, Arizona. This Miramonte townhome built in 2019 isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. You'll love this open, airy layout with high ceilings, natural light that makes every space in this house just flow seamlessly together. With 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus a bonus room, this home gives you the flexibility to work, host, and relax in total comfort. The kitchen. It's upgraded with granite countertops. There's a new dishwasher, range, reverse osmosis. Every detail is designed for low-maintenance, high-comfort living. The primary suite offers a large walk-in shower, double vanities, and a nice-sized walk-in closet. Step outside and watch the sunset lights bounce off of Pusch Ridge, your private slice of desert landscape. And when you're ready to explore, you're just minutes away from dining, hiking, El Conquistador, Oro Valley Country Club, and so much more. Isn't it time you found the perfect balance of mountain views and modern living? Contact me today to schedule a private tour and experience this house in person. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more of our amazing listings. We help busy people buy and sell real estate easier, simpler, better.